Hello viewers, welcome to Textile blog. In this video, I will give you the clear concept on yarn count. Before starting, let's see what can we learn from this video. Definition of yarn count. Different types of counting system. Importance and uses of yarn count. Conversion of count in one system to other system. Let's know what is yarn count. The yarn count is a numerical expression which defines fineness or coarseness of a yarn. It expresses whether the yarn is thick or thin. Yarn count is measured in terms of linear density. Linear means length and density means weight. Linear density is defined in two ways: length per unit mass and mass per unit length. Length per unit mass is an indirect system and it's used for span yarn. Mass per unit length is a direct system and it's used for filament yarn. In general, direct system used for polyester and silk and indirect system used for cotton and rayon. English or cotton count. It is defined as the number of hanks per pound. Here, one hank equals 840 yards. English count shortly expressed as NE or S. If the yarn count 40S, it means 40 hanks of 840 yards will give 1 pound weight. In this system, weight fixed but length variable. So, had the count number is indicating more fine yarn. Here, 10 counts yarn is thicker than 20 counts yarn. Metric system. It is defined as the number of hank per kg. In this system, 1 hank equals 1000 meter. The most popular counting unit in direct system is tex. Tex is defined as number of grams in 100 meter of yarn. If I say yarn count is 10 tex, that means 100 meter of yarn weight 10 grams. In this system, length fixed but weight variable. So, had the count number is indicating more thick yarn. 20 counts yarn is thicker than 10 counts yarn. And now, Denier is defined as number of grams in 9000 meter of yarn. If I say yarn count is 10D, that means 9000 meter of yarn weight 10 grams. Denier counting system mostly used for microfiber.